Alright, here's a dry run of my 3D printed mini vacuum. Everything is, I've only got a couple more pieces to print, just some gaskets that'll go between these when I clamp it all together. And I think that's really about it. Oh, the suck nozzle. So everything is just sort of placed on, nothing's glued together yet. Make sure that's in there. Snap the last piece in right here. So nothing's glued in yet, like I said. I'm just gonna snap that down. Sorry, my aim is bad. Okay, so let's turn this on and just see what happens. Now, there's no gaskets between the filter there, so. Oh, I think I built a monster. Look at this. It's picking that up. Holy crap, it's picking that up. I mean, nothing is glued. There's like leaks everywhere. Look at, there's leaks up here. It's holding that. None of this is glued together. Yeah, as long as I'm gentle, I mean, nothing's sealed. Oh yeah, I built a winner, even with this 380 motor. I'm happy. All right, test complete, success.